Every day, we are surrounded by plastic, a creation once celebrated for its convenience and strength. But over time, this miracle material has turned into one of the planet's greatest environmental threats. Hidden from the naked eye, tiny fragments known as microplastics have invaded every corner of our world. Microplastics are plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters. They originate from the breakdown of larger plastics or from intentional manufacturing. They are found in cosmetics, clothing fibers, and even toothpaste. Each plastic bag we use, each bottle we open, and each snack wrapper we tear contributes to the invisible storm of microplastic moving silently around us. It does not stop there. When we wash our hands with soap containing microbeads or use face wash and makeup filled with synthetic polymers, thousands of microplastic particles escape down the drain. These particles travel through wastewater systems, many of which fail to capture them. Eventually, these plastics find their way into rivers, lakes, and oceans, contaminating our water systems. We breathe them, eat them, and even wear them. Research shows that humans ingest an average of 5 grams of microplastic every week, roughly the same amount of plastic used to make one credit card. They enter our bodies through food, drinking water, and the very air we breathe. When plastics are burned, they emit toxic gases such as dioxin and furans. These pollutants not only contaminate the air but also settle in soil and crops. The process also produces microplastics, which are transported by wind and water, eventually entering the food chain and posing serious risks to human and to our environment. In the soil, microplastics reduce fertility by blocking root pores and altering the structure of microorganisms essential for nutrient cycling. In aquatic system, they absorb dangerous chemicals such as pesticides and heavy metals, acting like toxic sponges. Marine organisms, from plankton to fish, ingest these particles, mistaking them for food. Eventually, they reach our plates, transforming dinner into a dose of contamination. Inside the human body, studies have found microplastics in lungs, blood, and even placentas. They can trigger inflammation, oxidative stress, and hormonal imbalances. But it does not have to stay this way. The solutions begin with awareness and small changes that create a greater impact. Instead of plastic bottles, we can carry steel or water bottles. Glass cups can replace plastic ones for drinking liquids such as coffee, juice, or water. Unlike plastic, glass does not release microplastics or harmful chemicals when exposed to heat or acidity. It keeps the natural taste and purity of what we drink while reducing plastic waste. Glass cups are also reusable and long lasting, making them a simple yet effective choice for a clearer environment. Instead of disposable bags, we can choose cloth or jute bags. They are eco-friendly, strong, and biodegradable, meaning they don't harm the environment even after disposal. Reusing these bags not only cuts down plastic waste but also saves money and encourages more sustainable shopping habits in our communities. Even replacing plastic water coolers with metal or ceramic alternatives can reduce thousands of microplastic particles entering our water. Every sustainable choice slows the cycle of plastic pollution, and every little act becomes part of a collective solution. Microplastic reminds us that what we throw never really disappears. It only changes form. The challenge of our time is not just to see this invisible enemy, but to confront it with innovation, responsibility, and hope. Let's protect our soil, our water, and ourselves, one sustainable choice at a time.